Hi, today I'm going to tell you about face yoga. We are all talking about yoga, yoga for the body, yoga for the mind, yoga for your emotions. One yoga I have found that face yoga is one of the best things for anti-aging and keeping your skin in a fantastic condition. Now, the reason for that is we have 43 muscles around our face, okay, on our face. And of course, forgetting about the 2 or 3 muscles around our neck. And these are the areas that are on show. And of course, everybody is so worried about it sagging a little or skin looking a little bit, not glowing. And if you do these few yogic exercises every day, you're going to find that it's really, really going to help you. And so to start off with, we need to have a good posture. That is the most important, because you'll find you start off with your neck. Now, if you put your thing like this, what happens? Straight away, your whole face and your whole body language isn't working, with confidence. So straight posture. Now, this is one thing you're going to see. So just put your shoulders up. Now, don't ever put your shoulders up like this. Okay, because again, this shows that you're tense. So when you have your shoulders a little tense, just relax it. Relax it. Just think, relax. And you will find it will just go into place. Another wonderful way to relax your shoulders is lift it up and then relax. You find it works beautifully. Okay, just try that. Now we go on to the neck. Neck is a very important part. You get all your lines and wrinkles. In fact, age shows, and it shows very fast. I've seen ladies with 25 and 30 who've got necks that have a little problem. So you have to look after your neck, and one of it is the exercise. So I'm going to start off with a few neck exercises. So to start off with, you're going to go bend down and then up. Now, just don't do it down and up. You got to also, it should work on your muscles. So what you're going to do is down, and as you go up, lift your face up. The lower teeth go over the top like this. Okay, down and up. Have you felt the stretch? This is excellent for neck, and it also works on your double chin, which is really wonderful. The next we're going to go off is turn your head to the side. Now again, not just to the side like this and this, you're going to stretch. So when you turn here, you're going to stretch your mouth. Look up and down. Now again here, you're going to go to this side, stretch. You do it again. And down, and you're going to do it again here, to the side, look up at the hand, and down. You will find that you do get a tendency, instead of stretching it, you're stretching it the other way. So that's why it is very important when you stretch to, feel that it's going like that. Okay, so now this again is the other. And last but not least, put one hand here, one hand on your shoulder, and bend. This, you're going to give it that beautiful stretch that we need. Okay, this, and we're going to do this again. And again here, and here. So that completes the neck exercises. And how many times do we have to do it? You can do it to start off with 5. You go up to 10 of each of the movements, the front, the sides, and the stretching of the neck.